Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how you can use Guruch CRM in the most efficient way. After logging into the CRM, you can see this is the dashboard. We all know that CRM can be used for the multiple purpose. For example, managing the leads information. You can see multiple reporting system, lead summary. You can track the follow-ups and all. Now, in this Guru CRM, I'm going to show you how you can create your leads and you can manage their data as well. Now, let's start and create some leads. As you can see on my left, we have multiple options available here. So let's start with the lead creation. You'll see in the leads, we have create new lead option, view leads option, lead summary, leads assigned to the particular user they can see, file manager, and assign to and by report. Let's just start with making a new lead. So as you can see, this is our lead form. We'll have to fill in these particular information in order to create a new lead. Now, this lead form can be managed through the master data. If I go to the lead management and see this lead form, you can manage your lead form format from there. For example, if you want to add a new field or you want to change the field name or field type or field sequence, we have made it so dynamic then you can change it very easily. Let's say I want to change this marriage anniversary I'm going to change this name to marriage date. You can change the field type as well. For example, you want to make this field a normal text, a date field, number, drop down list. That's up to you. You don't need any kind of technical knowledge or you don't need to have any kind of coding knowledge in order to create a new field. We have it in the lead form management. You can also show that if it is going to be active on the lead form, and you can also create that field mandatory. If I just click on the save button, you will see our field has been updated successfully. Now, if I go here and refresh the page, you will see our marriage anniversary. This field name has been changed to marriage date. You can also change the sequence of these fields by just drag and drop. If you see, you can change the sequence like that. Lead status. If I pick it up top or again, the field sequence has been changed. So it is very flexible and you can easily manage all of these fields like that. Now let's create a new lead. As you can see, the first option we have is lead status. If I just click on the drop down, you will see there are options available like archive, close, not interested, open. You can create your own lead status by clicking on this add button here. We also have the master data of lead status in the lead management. You can see these are the lead status which is already created by default. You can create your own lead status from here. There you go. Our lead status has been created. Now, you can see your new lead status here. Now let's start with the lead creation. I'm just going to select the lead status. You can create your own customer name. Write down the mobile number, email ID, and other information. Now, this follow-up date option will allow you to set a follow-up date. So whenever you got on this date, the CRM will give you a notification that you have a follow-up to this particular lead at that day. Let's say I'm going to have this lead follow-up date on 22nd. You can define the designation of this customer as well. You can also select the follow-up time. Now you'll see we have follow-up time and date here. You can write down the address and URL and any other information as well. Now, this lead source, you can define where this lead from has been come from. You can also add your lead source from here. Let's say I'll get this lead from Google Ads. And I've successfully created a lead source directly from here. You can also manage your lead source from the master data. In the lead management, you will see we have the option of the lead source here as well. Now you can select the product type as well. Like this, what kind of product type this particular lead is looking for. Now you can create your product type directly from here as well. Or you can create your product type from the master data itself. You can see this is the product type options available in the masters. You can create directly your product type from here as well. Now you can select the expected closing date. Let's say I will close this lead by 28th of July. You can also write down the expected deal amount. Now this is the lead owner information. Whoever the user is there, this will have the creation date. You can also upload any kind of file or image from here. Now you can add description to this particular lead. Let's say they'll be needing to manage leads through the CRM with multiple reporting systems. Now just click on save and our lead has been created successfully. If I go to the back to view leads option, you can see the leads which are created. Now you can also click on the view from here and you can see the description or the lead status directly from here as well. You can add description and the follow-up date. You can change that from here, follow-up time, or you can have that after the follow-up date, what kind of the discussion you have with the lead. You can also upload files and documents from here. Now we have multiple filters as well. You can use the leads status wise, select date as well. We have multiple date system, date of birth, expected closing date, follow up date. You can filter through all these dates. Now you can directly upload your leads from here as well. We have given the option of uploading the lead sample directly into the CRM. Now you can assign your leads to any users. Let's say if I just check on this lead, click check, and you can see I can assign this lead to this particular user. See, our lead has been assigned successfully. So it will show you here this lead is assigned by the user Satish to Shikha Singh. Now, after creating and assigning lead, we'll see how you can see your lead summary. If I click on that, you will see this is the kind of the notification will pop up on the follow-up date that you have follow-ups to this particular lead. You can see this is the dashboard of the lead where you can see all of your lead summary as well. If you just click on that, you'll see the 2 new leads directly from here or any follow-up leads. Now here you can see the leads assigned to me, where users can see whatever the leads assigned to them. For this particular users, we have no leads assigned to it, but users can see whoever the leads assigned to them. Now here you can manage the files, you can upload documents here, and you can have the file manager option. Now, in assign to and by report, you can see leads which are assigned to the multiple users and assigned by whom. You can also use these date filters in order to see leads from the particular time period. Now, we can create a quotation which we can send to a lead. Now, this is our lead name, and we can add the product. You can see now a quotation has been created. Now you can create your sale order from here as well. And you can see your sale order report like this after creating your sale order. Now, now let's move on to the creation of user. You can see we have the users option available here, manage users and manage roles. Now first, let me define you how you can create All you have to do is just create an add role. Basically, you are giving access rights to the user. Now, whichever the field I want to give access to, I can check, and which field I don't want to see this user role, I can hide them as well. You see, our user role has been successfully created. Now, let me just show you how can you create your first user. Whenever you create a user, you will see your subscription package details here, the number of users and balance users as well. You can select the employee type. All you have to do is just write down all the information of the user. You can select the user branch wise as well. Now here, you will create the username and password here. You can also define the employee code, and you can have their address and upload documents if any. Reference phone numbers option we also have. Now, you can have the salary details of the users as well. You can add the bank details, their monthly salary, annual salary, their salary breakup as well. Basically, you can calculate the salary of the user from this CRM. Now, user role, you can give the user roles to them. You can also assign other users. You can see the leave policies as well, assigned items if any. And if you want to map other branch users as well. And if there's any ticket assigned to this particular user. If I just click on save, you'll see a user has been added successfully. There you can see. Now let's move on to the ticket creation. You will see these tickets option. All I have to do go is click on create ticket. You will see this is our ticket form. You can manage this ticket form just by the lead form. If you go to the masters, you'll see this is the ticket management option. And if you click on ticket form, we have made this form same dynamically as I've showed you in the lead. You can create a new field, choose the field type, select whether it is active or it is mandatory or not, and you can change the field sequence as well. Now, let's just create a new ticket. You can select whether it's on the existing customer or you can create a new customer as well. If I say let's on the existing customer, we have already created Pradeep Singh, and you will see all of his data has been fetched here. You can select the product type as well. So error type you can see, or you can add it from here. And you can create your masters for error type as well. If you go to the ticket management, you will see this error type option here. Same for the urgency types as well. Now you can select the urgency type and you can create one here. Now the ticket status, you can select ticket subject. You can upload any kind of file or image to these tickets as well. And this is one of the most important features. You can write remark for the customer and the team differently. So the customer can see that remark and this remark you can write for your team internally. And if I just click on save, you'll see a ticket has been created successfully. Now we have multiple filters as well, and you can also use the user wise, error type, urgency type, or status one. And you can also select the date as well. Now you can assign to this ticket to the user as we have seen in the leads as well. We can assign tickets and leads, both of them, to the multiple users. Now you can see here from the action for customer, which we have write the remark for the customer and remark from the team as well. So this is our Guruch CRM. I hope you like this because it's one of the most amazing CRM softwares available in the market. In the next video, we will be talking about the HRM part of the Guruch CRM. Thank you very much.